I knew you would be back and would not want to miss this scenic approach into Nice Côte d'Azur Airport. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dominic and I'm glad you tuned in for another classic nose view landing in the Airbus A220-300. We are incoming from Zurich, really fast flight time, under an hour brought us right over the beautiful coast, the Mediterranean. No clouds today, what a beautiful day to fly. As Monaco disappears below us, let's have a quick look at the Lido charts that are provided by our good friends at Lufthansa Systems. Before we have a look at the Lido charts, you'll see the entire approach that we were assigned to. Thank goodness we didn't have to fly it all down, but in a minute we'll have a look at the actual charts to give you a better idea. Here more of the coast, the beautiful Côte d'Azur. Again, what a day to fly, it was really pretty. And here's the airport of Nice. 22 right was our assigned runway today. We will be flying the R&D Star Arrival that brings us over the open ocean, and before we receive the direct to the waypoint Nanax, here you see it. And we didn't have to fly the entire approach as foreseen. And then we're ready for a visual approach for runway 22 right. It was the first officer who performed this landing, and it was her first approach into this runway ever. I think personally she did a really solid and good job here. Let me know in the comments if you agree. During this quick time lapse section towards the waypoint Nanax, I want to ask you to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy aviation as much as I do, and maybe consider becoming a member too. There will be a separate cockpit view video for the members of this channel only. As we're getting closer to the action, I'll let you enjoy the landing and quickly report back when we're down. Enjoy!
Sollen wir noch ein bisschen
Sweet and exciting approach that was by the young lady. We stayed on ground for roughly 40 minutes. This marvelous plane got cleaned, refueled and reboarded shortly after, and with a flight time of 50 minutes we got home before the scheduled arrival time. Visit Swiss.com if you plan to go to Nice, visit Côte d'Azur, or if you plan to fly with the amazing A220 as well. Thank you all very much for watching and rating this video. Subscribe if you may, and hopefully I can welcome you in another video soon. Cheers you all.